Now, something like this is fine. I don't really care for these caps, even the Dexter brand. They dry rot really easy. This one's brand new, and you've already see it's white dry in there, and it's only dark from me rubbing greasy hands on it. I actually prefer the solid metal caps, but this allows you to pull the rubber cap out and stick a grease gun through the end of this opening and get to that grease fitting. But I would just go ahead and put a cap like this on there, and then you have no additional failure point. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Appreciate your time. Please leave a comment down below. We're all about sharing knowledge and bouncing ideas off of each other. That's what YouTube's all about, and that's what my channel's all about. If you liked the video, please hit that like button. And if you want to stick around for some more, please subscribe. Again, appreciate it. See you on the next one.